eggplant parmigiana alla Calabrese for my luncheon tomorrow. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. I have some out-of-town guests, and tomorrow I will be having an afternoon lunch. And as an appetizer, I'm going to prepare this fabulous recipe by the name of eggplant parmigiano alla Calabrese. What's wonderful about this recipe is that you can prepare it the day before. Now let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your base of the skillet with sunflower oil. Pour oil to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using 2 eggplants and I've sliced them lengthwise at about a 1/4 inch thick. Season your eggplant with salt and pepper on both sides. And do it for all the slices. You will need 2 cups of self-rising flour and 4 large eggs, scrambled. We're there. The oil temperature is 380. Started preparing my eggplant first in the flour. You want to make sure it's completely submerged. Shake off the excess and in the eggs. Okay. There we are. And set them aside. Start frying them. 3 minutes on each side. Place them in the hot oil. First side is done. Now we're going to turn them around. Look how beautiful. Perfect. And a heat-proof container with some paper towel to pick up the excess oil. There we are. And continue frying. The slices have all fried off beautifully, and now we're ready to assemble. I've started assembling my eggplant parmigiano. These 2 are done. Now we're going to do the third. Sprinkle first with parmigiano reggiano as much as you like. Top it off with mozzarella. Can you taste it? Beautiful. This is one of my favorite appetizers. We're going to line with basil leaves from my garden. The other slice on top. And there we go. Do the same for all. And we're done. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes. My eggplant parmigiana alla Calabrese turned out spectacular. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to allow it to cool and then I'm going to taste it for you. If you wish to serve these as a main course, 1 is perfect. But because I will be serving them as appetizers, I'm going to cut them in half. Delicious. Guests are going to love this dish. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes.